In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Ludo King game app not working. So if you are experiencing any challenge with this game app, maybe the app can't open, it keeps on crashing, or it is too slow, then let me show you how you can fix this. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe. Now, there are quite a number of methods we can use. In the first method, we want to access the app info page. For this, just go ahead and find your app, and then long press on it, and you should see app info. For some phones, you might not see app info, but you'll see a settings gear or even the name of the app on top here. Go ahead and tap on it to access the app info page. Alternatively, you can also access the app info page through settings. So if you go to settings, look for apps, and you should see your app. If you tap on it, you'll be taken to app info page. At this point, we first want to clear the app data, more especially cache data. So if I tap on storage here, you can see we have a breakdown of data, and of importance is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your Ludo King game app normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. But the problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. To fix this, tap on clear data and then choose clear cache and then OK. And as you can see now, our cache data has been cleared and part of user data. So at this point, go ahead and restart your smartphone and open your app, and everything now should be okay. In most cases, this fixes your problem or your issues 100%. But if you still find a challenge, then you need to go ahead and clear now all the data again from the app info page and choose the first option, and then okay. Here, for this second method, you know that you will lose your settings and also the stages you had reached, and you'll have to start afresh. However, should this not fix your problem, then you need to go ahead and find an update for your app either through Google Play Store or App Store. So I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and look for Play Store, search for my app. So I'll search for Ludo King, and it is here, and find out if you have an update. Then tap on update if it is available to update it to the latest version. This will fix most issues that might be associated with your app. However, should this not work, then head to the last and final method, and that is to uninstall this app completely from your smartphone and then install it afresh. This will fix any issues related to your app crashing each and every time. So by using any of these 4 methods, you should be able to fix your app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.